Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Factorising Worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on the topic of factorisation. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you need some help, all you need to do is to go to the last slide, click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this particular slide on for 1 minute before I move on to the next slide. You can pause the video at any stage for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. I'll leave this on for about a minute, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now. And here you can click on the link if you need help. And I hope you enjoy working through this particular video.